Hello there, and thank you for joining us for one of our how-to guides. This how-to guide is using a birdcage and Gypsophila. Gypsophila is such a popular flower for wedding work, and bird cages add a really romantic, rustic feel to a table decoration. So we have this lovely painted bird cage. It's actually designed purely for using for flowers, and we're going to use some Gypsophila. This Gypsophila is actually Snowball, so it's one of the larger headed varieties, and as you can see, really good value for money because you get so many breaks on it. Okay, so I'm going to use an Oasis saucer, plastic saucer. Popped a little piece of Oasis in there. Now I'm actually going to use the clear pot tape simply because when you view it from the side view, the clear doesn't show quite so much as the green or the white would. Usually if I was using a white tray, I would use white pot tape. With a green tray, I'd use green pot tape. On this occasion, I'm using the clear. Now the reason why I prefer the clear on this occasion is because it's much stronger. It's a really firm tape, very, very easy to use. I'm just popping that around the dish just to make sure it's nice and secure, and then popping that in to the bird cage. Thank you so much for watching our how-to guide on creating a Gypsophila bird cage. If you wanted to do something slightly different but on the same kind of lines, we do have this beautiful rainbow gyp. So you could create the same design but multicoloured if you wanted something that's a little bit different. So not only can you buy the rainbow gyp, which is the assorted colours throughout a bunch, you can actually buy the dyed gyp that has a single colour per bunch. So 25 stems of one colour, or this beautiful rainbow, which is a kaleidoscope of colour. So I hope you've enjoyed our how-to guide on our Gypsophila ornamental birdcage. Do look out for more ideas of birdcage arrangements using an assortment of flowers. Thank you so much for watching today, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye for now.